Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another market recap. Today, red day again. Yeah, really struggling right now. So, yeah, it is what it is. Learning, not taking too much risk. I think I was down. I don't know. I'll get into it in a second because I don't really know. I think my trade was good on my red trade. I tried to get out on the ask, it didn't fill, and then I quickly tried to get out on the bid, and I think it just slipped past my order. And I lost more than probably what I think I should have lost, but I mean, is what it is. Yeah. So first recap in a couple days because I went to Florida, and Thursday I was that Thursday. Yeah, Thursday I couldn't trade, and Friday I was trying to record this recap with my AirPods, and not my mic, but for some reason my OBS wasn't picking up my AirPods, so I don't know what happened there. But yeah, so let's hop over to the screen share. So I'm red, $43.60. I traded two stocks, green on one, red on the other. So we'll start with APDN because that's my first stock I traded, and what I am red on. So I got in at $6, and I saw 613. So I got in. Well, I wanted to get in on. I don't know what was going on here. I wanted to get in on this micro pullback at 550, but that didn't work. So I was buying for the break of 6 for a squeeze back up, squeeze through, and I got up to 620, and I tried to sell on the ask, and my order didn't get filled. And then I think what happened was instead of pressing Control Q, which is my cancel, and then pressing Control Z, I think I accidentally pressed Control Z, so it had two sell orders out and they weren't going to fill. So I had to quickly cancel and then sell out, and by that time I was down $52. So, I mean, I had a right idea, maybe not the best entry just looking at the rest of this chart, but like I was buying through the break through 6 right here and just looking to see if we can continue higher because it had news. So, but maybe I think we're just in this cold market right now where everything that's popping up, like probably a month ago, I would say this stock probably just keeps going. But right now that's not the case, so I need to rein that in on myself and just focus on better entries because I'm struggling with my entries right now. And realistically, I didn't even see any seller up at 620, so I don't know if it's just, yeah, I don't know. But SPRB is cooking now, so that's my second stock I traded on it, and I traded it way down here. I got in on this that big top and tail, of course. Actually, I got in right for this breakthrough on this 10-second chart, and I got a solid squeeze up, but really nothing too big. I mean, it was only $9. This top and tail did scare me, but just with this big dip and a whole retracement of this dip, I felt confident that we would at least gain some momentum back up, which we ended up doing. And I was watching this break through the high already at this trade right here, but I mean, it was $18, so it was already slightly too expensive, and now it's breaking through this high as well. So yeah, that is another red day for me. Frustrating, very frustrating, but I mean, it is what it is. So you can only learn one way, and that's just building on your mistakes and pushing through that. So yeah, let me know how you guys did in the comments, and we'll be back tomorrow. Peace.